Alright, what's up, guys? Guys, I know it's one kid number two, and I am back. I say, yeah, you know, I said a movie and I'm betrayed by my sister. I don't know, just like, comment, share, subscribe, watch it, ask them. And why, guys, please, actually, if you know, why sponsor anybody on a Panama trip? Good number go dead on your so when you can't contact. I say, yeah, just like, comment, share, subscribe. That's all I have to say. Just watch the ads, then peace out. Enjoy the movie.
What do you happen?
No, where Australia go?
Ah, period me I go. Where you Australia come from?
Oh, and you me come too. I'm glad to see you.
What happen?
Me come for borrow money from you for deal with something.
Man.
What?
Everyday thing. Me not have no money, girl. Me not have no money right now.
You have money, I just straight no want give me.
Me don't have no money right now. I'm forget money from feeling you.
You have money, me I gonna make you get back your money.
Me not have
I
no
said
money.
me want
hard
to
in
deal
that.
with.
No, me not have no money. That is what I'm telling you now. Why problem?
Want to deal with something you me only hope left me have left back can borrow money from now.
Well, me not have no money. If I go try borrow it from somebody else, 'cause right now me broke.
Me no know nobody else.
Well, me can't help you. Me not have no money. And the only time that you come to me is when you want money.
I'm not come to you this time, but we back up on the road.
You see me that come too.
But me see you eventually.
Okay, me not
coming
no
to you.
money. Me not no money.
So you can't ask me if money let me give you back for them.
All
Me
you
no know
prime.
nobody.
Me no know none either. You're very cockatoo and prime.
Wait. Hello? Alright.
How would that?
Somebody.
So somebody not name.
Tugger.
So why you not beg Tugger the money?
Me and Tugger not in anything.
Oh, no stop talk.
Tugger broke. Tugger don't have any money.
So when I call you now for them?
Because he asked me sitting a while ago.
Broke man, I call you. Broke man, I
You
have
see,
a call you. And you come beg me money. We ain't get a man with money. Yeah, answer broke man call. As then call you, oh yeah, come.
You find the money man, them give me then. If you have a money man, I would come to you about the money. I would come borrow the money from him. But I get the money, I'm going to do it for a long time. I would have come, I would have sit down, I would have a drink, and we chat and laugh.
If you have ambition, you know. If you have ambition, you can't take man every day you come beg me money.
So tell us if you take man.
If you not take the man, where the man I call you?
So nobody can call my phone.
For what reason? And you not get no money. That's the whole point. In call you, yeah, me I come. You not get no money.
So you know what I call me for?
You
Suppose
just say you not get no money because Tugger broke. Now that I just say.
You don't have to be money.
Oh, so you're going to lie down for free?
So tell us me going to lie down.
Then what else him could I call you for food?
Dear.
Tugger can't
So
cook.
man no call for your phone. All the time man call your phone and him give money.
Money. It's always about money. That is my source of income. Collecting money.
I want to be like you when I grow up in the future.
Don't want to be like me. Be like yourself because you're very careless. You don't know what you are doing with life. With you,
You say like it's not good to beg black people. One day you go and something from me, you can't go get it. You go watch your day do.
Call again.
Me to do something. If you jump and say jump and act so high.
If I dead, me dead already to backside.
It would have blow here and you put it on a life machine.
Zara me and give down a man's bakery there, so.
Who tell us I want work? I think I'm money I call me to give me a tell me about work. But they tell us I want work?
You don't want to work?
No.
So you want to get up every day and work? No,
Yes,
sir.
me walk. I think I'm money they call me to give me a tell me about work.
You're the only ex me ever look out for you disappoint me, go you disappoint me. Wait, where you stay, sir?
How me stay if you say me don't want any
you.
work? But they come and say, I give me one money, I will say, alright, me have a little smile for my face. But they come and tell me about work. 9 to 5. When 9 to 5
The
I
amount of
do.
money you can make down there so when tourists come, you can't hold in your purse.
Me not frightened for tourist people money.
What you want out of life? What you want out of life?
I mean, I want out of life.
I don't me ask you.
Everything that's good me want out of life.
Because for me,
Except
you
work.
live, you just pop down. You walk up, you walk down, you walk go across, you walk go back across.
So that's me for them.
No, sir. And the last time this me I look out for you and I swear. Me tired of disappointment. Me tired of disappointment.
So true me no want to work, me disappoint you?
You rather walk up and down or go somewhere where you make money. Which one?
That's why I have siblings.
You walk up and down and beg and you would get the opportunity to go somewhere where you get money in your pocket. Eh? Which one you rather?
Let me walk. But
You
not
want
have
to
me as
walk
no
and
slave.
beg?
Yes, but they don't have me as no slave in an
Okay.
store.
Okay.
But wait, come here there. Me want to ask you if you do me a favor.
The favor me just did a while ago and you know take it.
No, a different favor this. Let me 5 grand now.
But you know easy. You know easy at all, you know.
If I ask if you lend me 5 grand.
Alright, here the deal. Go to work tomorrow and tomorrow me send you the money.
No,
Yeah.
me I go to work. Give me the money now, me go to work tomorrow.
You go to work tomorrow?
Yes, because me I go want you to pay fear out of go where me I go.
You same account you use?
Yes, we not other account.
Okay. Me can't gain a cash in a account. Me have
So
to
I me
sit-
can't get in a cash.
account me have to put it on. Me not have a
But
cash.
the account when me I just go take $100 off my shop if I not 2.
You not have 2 bills in your account?
No,
You
no look so.
can't so dry.
It's
You
not even
don't tell
not
me say
$1
so
in
dry.
I. No money in I at all.
Me send you 2 bills extra. Jesus Christ, you gone to the dogs moody.
Who gone to dogs?
Alright. See send you now. Send me. I send you a receipt on WhatsApp. Make sure you go to work and
Alright,
play
thanks. Me
around
go
with
guard
me.
the work. Me say me I go guard the work.
Make sure you go buy some gel and something and fix up your hair.
Yes, it a go comb. Me look like somebody.
Yeah,
in the morning.
and just appropriate when you're going down there. Appropriate.
So me
You
look
hear
just
me say?
appropriate.
Appropriate down there.
Yes, me I go just
Just
appropriate.
in a one skirt and a nice blouse. Alright.
Okay, thanks.
So I know say this girl and now go down there. Just make a mistake, you know. I tell me, you know what this girl I want out of life, Father God. Just put some wisdom or something in her mind, something wrong with her, you know. God.
God, man, the water go down. You just send some rain, man.
Morning.
Morning. You alright?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
You still tired of me?
Tired of you?
Yeah, because sometimes I'm nagging at me at night. Someone know if you're tired of me or what.
How am I for tired of you?
I don't know.
You're my sister, me and you come from the same womb. Alright, we're not the same father. But we are one. We come from the same womb.
So you love your sister though?
I love you more than life itself,
okay.
man.
And you're not tired of me?
I'll be for tired of what is mine. He's my sister, you know. Me know you, you know. When you come and I come round and round and round, you know, and I come round quiet. Come out with it, man, Moody. Me know what you really want to say.
Me come to borrow from you.
Shocked and stunned. Really?
Yes.
How much so?
About $15,000.
All right. Where you go buy Moody?
Food. And grocery for putting in my house.
Moody, I go get you the money, you know. You don't have to pay me, man. I go give you the money. Make sure say you go supermarket and buy the food, not snacks. You love chips too much.
Yes, go supermarket.
You have to buy rice, and you have to buy flour, and you have to buy fish, and you have to buy
flour.
chicken and vegetables and
buy
tomato.
flour, I carry con give for needy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your hand and foot joint shirt, sis?
Yes.
Eh.
Me have foot the cap.
Eh? Hush. Buy proper shopping. May I come and move.
You have the money, you know. You go like, you know, and give me the money. Run the money when me get the money. I talk more when me a look. You know what I mean?
Sis, me forget say me use some of the change. Go shop this morning. So here one, me have your account details. Me go send it. Go down to the supermarket now.
Okay.
By the time you reach down there, the money depend on your card.
Alright.
Alright, no bother tarry.
So send off you now, no? Send off you now.
Me send off me come out to tell you.
Oh, alright, thanks. So, what you plan for the first idea? Because it's on hot, man. If you would some chapal in there or something in front of your yard.
You go buy it for me.
Me come and beg and you.
And I judge.
No, maybe I may shut my mouth.
Me have to go into the water, man. Me have to go into the water. The sun is going to mad out me. I go beach.
So, you go be so you can make a go river.
Alright. What time?
This is looking at the evening, the sun cool on, because the sun and you fry it till it dry.
Alright. You see, when you go shop and go home and cook,
Yes, me I go
no
cook.
bother with the fast food. Because you did have more weight for you, you know, Moody. Me never say, me not say you did thick or nothing, but you did have more weight for you, man.
Sister,
Eat right.
but me not eat right.
Me know you. You live pan 3 chicks and donut. That I not eat right.
Me I go cook. Me I go start cook. So if you come with me, they can get food.
For real?
Yes. Because you complain to me.
You go cook for you?
I have a fever. Maybe that's why I chat. Right now, the sun hot.
Alright.
And me, I go continue to take my time and walk because I have no umbrella.
Alright.
So I buy some of them, I call you and then I come up for me, I go river, go sport.
Alright, that will work. You cook and me I come river.
Alright.
Alright. Sound like a plan.
Driver!
Yeah, this, bro.
Yeah, bro, everything active.
Yeah, man, I'm going to hold it off, you know.
Why, my sister, you go and hold it off, you know.
Yeah, this.
Yeah, boy, you look so stressed out.
Yo. Come here, I'll tell you. Pick sense out of nonsense, right? Tell me I'm wrong or I'm right.
You know me, I go tell you.
Me get a work, go so boom. Go down a party shop, right?
Yeah.
A woman young, they know me and she say, you don't know no young girl who want to work. She can make a little change a week time or whatever, because we short staff down there. I say, alright, I know somebody, man.
Oh, your sister, you make your
No,
sister
listen,
get you.
listen.
Oh.
Go so boom. And I call my ex-girlfriend and I say, check me at your gate. Come by, me tell the girl, check the girl, wait how long before he come to my brother. Then now she reach and I tell her, I say, yo, I get a work here down at Ammons. She go tell me, say she don't want no work.
What? A lie you tell.
She don't want no work. Let me say you rather walk up and down every day and I beg your family them for things and them are this at the same time. She say yeah, make she stay.
So she at work now?
Right now she tell me say she will go down there tomorrow and me give her 5 grand.
You don't say you shouldn't give that girl 5 grand.
Cause she say she wanted to pay her fare.
You shouldn't give her.
But when I walk off still, I know I make a mistake, you know. Cause I know say she nah go down there, bro.
Bro, you shouldn't. Bro, that girl is ungrateful, you know, bro. That girl they come like she don't want nothing out of life,
I'm
bro.
left with girl, brother. You know, see me start build up my place.
Me and see, bro.
Me wonder if something really do her, bro.
She a hold on. You hear? And you see that they walk down.
Me I try build her up, and even though me and her in a relationship, you know, me just like to see people elevate in a life. You see me? Me don't like to see people down, dog.
Bro, you should have looked you up for somebody else, bro. She don't need it, bro. That the girl that why you so concerned about her? You don't say that the girl did a wall done.
Bro,
One time you had that the girl there, you know, one black LA, you know. One black LA. And since that the girl left, you look there. Bro, I wouldn't start calling.
What's so life set, bro? That's a feel
No,
now.
boss, I call me.
Oh, yeah, we have to move.
You have to move. Big up yourself.
Alright. So what you road?
Yeah, bro.
I don't know, bro, but God just have to just pray for you, see? Because there's no way somebody can walk up and down and rather that than go work for somebody and get paid.
This boy is moving just like a madnik. Hello. Me can ask you a question.
Yeah, how?
How my friend if you look work gear and you don't want it? What kind of style that?
Are your business or for my business?
Are you a business but
Oh.
it concern me?
Oh, it concern it. It's my life. I do what I want to do. Me look like me need work, me look desperate. And for me, I feel like for my life, you know. I'm in a hungry. I mean, I want naked.
So, me did say you're hungry or you want naked.
So you asking about work for?
My friend give you the work, then I'm on the work and you don't want the work.
Because I don't want the work. Me not short on nothing. Me not hungry. My belly not grumble. Me not come here and knock on your door and say, come me want something for them.
You can't come on my yard.
So why
you
you
think
stop
you can come on my yard?
So why you stop me?
I rate me because you my friend used to there and you did one good girl to him. So I rate you, I respect you. So I would want to have you look. You know what me all hear dog all tell me? Because dog tell me everything, you know. Say him give 5 grand. What you do with that the 5 grand there?
Me have it is what? And you give me have a problem with it?
So what attitude for?
Why you stop me for asking about work?
Because I want to see I work then at Ammons. You know, I work then at a party shop and I can come order 2 party. You hand me 2 party or you cash me 2 party.
Because I'm no slave to nobody. Them something they are slavery work.
Caca fart. But you caca to do.
Bad.
Me never know. Me just know. All along you used to there with my friend. Me never know say so you did stay. You know.
Me have me money. Me look like me moneyless. Me have me dirty money all over the place. Me have cash. Me can buy you something for drink.
Look for me. Girl, me just cash out. You come like you not swine on my cup. You not swine on my cup. Anybody can buy a drink of rum right now. Just $3.50. Look at you.
Everybody can buy a drink of rum.
You think like a grab and rank like a pail.
You smell like ram hog.
Look for you too. But you can't buy me a drink. Which part of you have dirty money? Ah, look so.
Me ever beg you nothing?
You can't beg me nothing.
Are the people that look like they have things that have nothing, you know?
You ever give me nothing?
You can't beg
The
me.
dirty money where you have, you better take it go do your hair. You know?
And you gotta take your money and draw it again was. Right.
True for me, boy, I never did that back, so then, you know. Make, you give me too much attitude, you know. You say if I did me and you there, I used to there. Yo, you see you? Trade even know, you know. You're ungrateful, you know.
You box me down and me there shall reach you. And me call Trinity for you.
What call? Say I decline the phone call.
That have nothing to do with you.
Acha, answer the phone, no girl.
I feel your phone or for me.
No, sir. Come like when fear parents them did that make them did that cuss and argue. Be
And when
attitude.
fear parents them make you didn't have Down syndrome. You have such a broad, big nose.
Girl, you know say me could be your father though.
Which part of you could be my father?
You know, yeah, how much?
That not nothing to do with you.
Yeah, how old you be?
That has not.
No man, no. You're tired for beg.
You see me a beg?
I beg she a beg you do.
So everybody know you as a beggars. And you can't tell me say you have a dirty money.
No,
She just a
man.
beg me a while ago. Miss,
What me a beg you?
what you mean?
Tell me I beg
You
you.
tell me
When
say
you
you
come
want-
and stop me a while ago in my business like I did your business. What me I beg you?
You tell me say you want 2 grand for deal with something while ago. You beg. Me never know say you want beggars and you give me
Money.
attitude.
Me tell you some more money from you. You never come hear me I beg you know. Why does brand nose elephant giraffe no walk good on the road? Me I beg you something?
Hey, listen to me. My friend tell me say him give this a girl yeah, $5,000 work for her and she didn't go to work. She not go down there none tall. Tell me if this a girl alright it.
So Moody, you know want a job? No. Oh, you want to be like the homeless people walk and beg. It's just that you have
Every
a
day you
yard.
get up and you
So you
beg.
like to beg.
Come on, beg. Come.
I know you're something for you talk a bit too much. You know, I'm sorry at me.
You look like you're dead. No, sir.
Hey, mama, you want to tell a lie now? Where you go?
Me I go about my business.
No, me glad she gone. You know how long she fi cut.
What the
I tell
problem?
her say, yo, you look good, you know.
Oh,
Muda
thank
like,
you.
Muda like fi have you in my crib. Play with.
Stop right there, so. Me no want no man. No man me no want. Because you see, uno man, you see when uno need female underneath, uno come and ask for it. But when we woman come to uno and ask uno for you want 50 grand, uno want know what we want it for. Uno want know when we want it. If we say no, uno go say later. Later we call uno no answer on the phone. When uno do answer, I want it for Anansi story. Police lock uno palm and a type of foolishness.
No, listen. Me are the set of generation we born when them there's something they stop going. Me a good youth, you know. Me mind woman, me take care of
Well, me don't want no man. We can be friends.
friends, mama, just nobody know no more. I just between me and the banana tree.
Between me and banana trip, that are friends and benefit. Yeah, ask for relationship public. Me no want no man. It was nice meeting you.
One you hug like favorite dinosaur. You think me did want you? I remember my sister me did want you. Yeah, me no ugly.
Moody, Kuya, you can't even walk. Moody, I rum you really take my hard-earned money go buy?
No water.
Moody, but you're drunk to yachted. No, sir. You could never take my hard-earned $15,000 go buy rum. And drunk.
You can make it back.
We can't make it back. You know how long and how hard me have to work to get $15,000? And nearly week wage is that, you know? 40 odd
Really?
hours work, you know?
I really $15,000 you're going so far.
15,000.
Eat piece of grass.
How will you get that to? Hey, Moody, I could come back to me again, you know? As much as you's my sister, right now you piss me off. Hey? You know what me have to do for $15,000? Me not even take my money and buy rum. You can't even sit down properly, my girl.
You know what we do? Standing up. Me sit down. You want
You
some?
see you? Don't ever come back and ask me for money. Now me know why you ask me for tired of you.
Refill the buckle.
Come. Okay, you can't leave you out of the streets.
Let me go.
Yeah, your yard. Come. Leave you out of the streets, sir. Man, do you not even remember where you live? Got some man.
Oh, up the road.
People do anything to you. Come here. Me not sneak up on you, sir.
Where you come boy?
Me want your help.
What kind of help?
Me no want you unalive, you know, but me want you mad out my sister.
What?
Me want you mad out my sister because
What
when
me
mad
do?
out,
Where's you want me do?
You know, hear me, Mas Buddha?
Where's you?
I want you from mad up, my sister. Because
Big what that? Big what that? When you come for down yet?
I don't know how much you
When you come for down yet?
I don't know how much it costs yet.
Yeah, what I want? Get one of them big ramming goat. Not the common ramming goat.
We can get that.
The big yummy and one them, the fat one them, so when grow big, them weigh how much pound. See? One white one. You have to be a virgin rammy and a female virgin. So the two of them together. Two virgin goat. Yeah?
Yeah, man.
What me say?
Yeah, man, we'll do it.
That's some money. This is a big one.
You know, one time.
Don't make the sun catch up here.
Alright. You go do it. You go bring the ram with them feel here.
Yeah, so where is it? She not come down there? I mean, I tell her, alright, listen. Sorry for disappoint you. I go try see if I can get somebody else who really need the work then. Yeah, I'm sorry about that again here. Alright.
Man in Taga.
Speak of the devil. You know, say you me just talk about on the phone. Cause the lady text me and tell me say, oh, the girl don't come if me not tell the girl. Why you not go wrong to go get there?
Me can't bother with that work. They them the work, they are slavery work. You know, long Christopher Columbus left Jamaica gone. Can't manage them the work.
Hold on. Where does Sarah go?
We can't manage them the work. They are slavery work. Christopher Columbus left before me and you and my ancestors born. Them my first
So
people
girl,
come. Them work they're stressing.
You don't want something to do. You know what I'm not in a life?
Yeah, but not them type of
Look
work.
on my place. You think say walking up and down, give me that?
Me don't know. Me can't tell. Me never did it when you get money for belly.
This can't come by walking up and down and begging.
Oh. Me
You have to work hard to every single block where you see
me live somewhere, Tony. You don't live somewhere.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
Is it yours?
It is mine, and me I pay my rent of mine. And my money I pay for
You
my
will
rent.
say I do? Rent.
But
I'm
still,
sure say, and you pay the rent. Your
know,
mother, your mama are foreign.
well, that's still my place, and me living there, my things up in it. And then I come out still. I come to
Can't
borrow
believe
some
me
from
go out of my way, go try get a work for you. You do not take it. Y'all borrow you owe me $5,000.
Which one again?
Where is my
Me tell you, say, give me $5,000 and you give me the money. I borrow, me come to borrow something from you now. I beg that you know, me never say me I borrow it.
you lose it? You tell me say, give you the 5,000 and you go to the work. You really think say me that give you money so I lend you it. Me ain't no business again for me I give you money.
But I beg you. You never get up and give me.
Modi, me need back the 5,000. Worse, oh, you make my reputation bad down the amount. Y'all know me shame to go down there right now, go buy a party.
I borrow me come to buy something from you now. Still, because
If you do what?
you don't know about the
Where $5,000 where get from?
Me don't know the $5,000. They lost some about the place. Me don't know.
Oh, you lost and then I come me saying it.
Me don't know. Me just know that me not get to spend it. Me don't know nothing about it. Me don't know. Me don't know where gone. The bank take it.
You know where you need to go? Church. Go on a church. Please.
So what church are going to do?
Something really do. Something wrong with you. You don't see it, but me I see
You
it.
know, say more if you look like a something do you make you feel like say something do me. How something do me?
Something wrong with them more there. Every money we go in here and it's either you don't know where you put it or you just use it buy something and then you end up asking money again. Then stop them something there.
Pray for me. You see, if more people pray
What
for
you want
me,
money for do now?
you go see me a invest in it, me a flipping money. Yeah.
The amount of time you tell me that.
I build one little business. This time we are gonna see the progress in everything. Me I go flip the money.
First time you come to me, you want to buy fab and cake soap. When me give that the 10,000, me see you back. Oh, that business there, me change my mind and the money get mashed up.
This time
then again you see you want to sell weed. Then me no see you with no weed. We want to do to life, Moody.
Listen to what me I say. Me I go take the cash and I go to flip it into a bigger money. So
yeah,
you have to tell me say me walk a beg.
Flip yourself and go on out of me. Flip yourself.
Disrespect me?
Go on out of me.
Say me not get the money.
Moody, me try with you. You're my ex and me never yet try with none of my ex them like how me try with them and look out for you. And you disappoint me, go disappoint me, come back. Go on. Me not have nothing for you. Me not have nothing for like 5,000 just take it. Take it.
Yeah, I want to help one day in a life, you know. Remember who know where disgrace me and say me love walk and beg.
Tell you know something really wrong with Moody God. But me just don't know what wrong with her. Cause there's no way you borrow money so. Every day so, what she do with the money? And she don't want to work. God cover her father cause something do her. Some demons upon her.
Where you come from? Which way you going?
I pass here, pass.
Meet me yard and I want pass. Want make all of no young people want to take me yard as pass. Me not like it. If I go build one fence or something, man, want me come do that?
You don't like it, but they already make it pass.
Me I go cut this pass and tell a friend, you and your friend them, tell them to stop walking in my yard. Me not
and
like
me
it.
alone, you see you walk, you don't see me with a friend.
You come like you 2 months at a time you pass, you come like a yam pig. I can't, you wanna walk in my yard, so miss, stop it. Me not like tell about it. Stop walk through my yard.
Alright, I'm gonna stop back to your yard. Alright, you know, $1,000 can sponsor me.
$1,000.
Yeah.
Sure.
You buy something, I could have did nothing else, make a berry.
So look girl, your mother not there foreign. How your mother for there foreign and you ask me when I had nothing for $1,000? What make you no time so? People with money always like want beg about people. What make you no time so?
Look at your money, if you give me money, I go buy business, yeah, man.
Me nah no money I give you and talk walk through me yard. You walk through me yard and I give me attitude. The only good thing me can say about you tell me evening, me don't have no money for give. Your mama there foreign, beg your mama money. Me nah have no money for
So
give.
you know mama there foreign, you know she not come down.
If he come down, that even better for you. He carry down things to you.
Oh no, so they're the par.
If he dip in, should have dip him a long time. You could have turned your yard and talk walk through my yard. Miss, me not have no money for give. Me not have no $1,000 and me not have no pass in my yard. So just go and buy your business. Make this be the last time you walk through my yard, please.
You see the black people mean as stingy. I don't talk about yard. I never meet the people that make pass in your yard. You see the pass, my father the tree and lead me through your yard, go so.
No, just go on. Just anytime you have some board, you go fence up right there.
And we shall climb over it.
Oh.
Or lick it
Never
down.
have one dog in my yard for people like you. You see your face, the little girl and I beg me money. Eh? You see how you turn? What make you not go on?
You see only people
Go on,
mean.
go on. Me no have no money. And your mama, dear friend, your mama never give me no local set when me ask him for you want come beg me money.
You alright? Yeah, man. Give thanks. Give thanks.
Long time me no see your friend. The last time me did carry down your sister clothes then. I see you back from that.
Yeah, man.
Swear.
Me
The
there.
whole life.
We give thanks. We give thanks. We could have complained, but
True.
How are you?
Why me can't complain no, cause as long as me there above ground, there above the earth, another day, me have to give Father thanks. Understand? Me have to give him thanks and praise because enough wake up this morning and them not above ground. You understand? So just have to give God thanks and give him praise. You see me? So, how your sister?
Well, she depend this side of the ground as you talk about, so we have to give thanks, but you know, it look like her head a take her.
You know, I said this morning she come over me yard and beg me money.
Jesus, you don't know.
And me talk to her, me say, Modi, look at her. Please look at her. Me go as far as me go down at Ammons I buy a patty. And the lady said to me, say, you know what, no young girl don't want any little work, right? So me say, yes. And I'm more there the first person to come on top of my mind. To say, all
that
right,
would have good.
I get her. I call her, wait for her down at the house so, where her mother rent. And me did a whole long wait when I time me did get fed up and walk away. And me say me nah left. So she come now. And me say look how long me wait for it. And what happened? What happened? I give me your attitude. So me say Modi is a work me get for you. What kind of work that? So me explain and tell her. And she tell me say she no want that the work there and this and that till she asked me for money. And me give her 5,000 me transfer right away. Because she say if me give her the 5,000 she will get something fixed up her ear and buy one little skirt or whatever. So she can go down the appropriate. She not no clothes. So now that day run off, the next day, that are today, the woman call me and say, I know she not see Moody. Jesus. I know Moody not go down at the place. Me the woman I say, boy, you disappoint me, man. Can you tell me say you're going to make the girl come and the girl don't come?
Jesus, I'm sorry, you know. She's the example of wanty, can't get it, no wanty, you know. Look how the girl get the job drop in her lap. That's why me think her head a take her, you know.
I think her head a go.
Her head a take her, man. Me
What
no
would
know.
that be the reason make her head go?
Me no know. Because she a drink too much, man. The other day, me see her and me have to pick her up and carry her home, you know.
She drunk.
She dropped down in a dirty. And me have to pick her up and the woman bigger than me. And me easy for sweat.
Same thing in the last half with me and Modi when her mother did put the title in her name and me don't know what happened from that. From that she does start thief my money and so remember say that make me and her left, you know. She just start take my money and sitting and me couldn't bother with it.
Can't
The money if you
explain.
build up my place. And say no, my place soon deck off or something.
I can't explain for Moody, you know.
Try sit down and talk to her, man. You're a bigger sister. If she no will listen to me, she will listen to you.
Me I go try again because me no want nothing to do her, you know. Cause me love my sister like that, you know.
Me no want nothing to do either.
But me
Honestly.
Me no know. Me no know if it's somebody put something in her drink, you know. Cause when she had, cause me know my sister, you know. And when she drunk, she not go on, so all her legs them a wobble, so she a drop and she a talk to me and I drop. She drop on the dirty and she a drop same way.
Sure.
See, is that true word?
Good.
Me I forgot to talk to her, cause me feel so somebody put something in her my sister drink, you know. And I turn her mad. And me can't afford Bellevue and medication.
But for me, uncle or something I go call he catch minor strokes and nobody no really I go visit him and me
Oh God. Me never know. Me sorry to hear that.
That's why me house up and pause and because me have to help him out financially, you know.
Alright.
We see each other.
Alright, you're
I
good.
remember just talk to you if I even make you stay over the yard.
Still who
Makes
for
this,
yard? Still over who for yard?
over the yard, them on field yard.
And she have that house. Remember, say she have house, you know.
But that a rent house, man, that... Anyway,
God will work out
no,
a way.
nowhere,
Where
nowhere.
there's a will, there's a family member later. Oh, come live with me. But you know, get house already. And me forget as a bigger one. Me come first, you know. But bring. Why you not make she come live with you? Like how your house nearly done. But come live with me. You're bright.
So after something while we come in here, yard?
Oh, yes. What's the problem?
We come back.
Turn up. What?
We come back to for money.
Me no money.
Every time we go ask for money, you never have money.
What me look like? Western Union ATM? Which one?
Sajikwa.
Me not have no money to take care of no big grey back girl. You can't go look up. Boy, you not go look at work. Even if I break up a place with somebody and then pay you.
Right, where you cook?
What happen with me a cook? Me a cook 1 spoon of rice and half tin of mackerel.
I can't ask them mackerel. The next time mackerel next to me and pies here.
The next thing, the next half already cooked yesterday. When I pull a mackerel, I throw it in a plate and put it in off.
You always still 2 million pies. Give me some of the
Me name it already, you know, here. Half like on in the rice pot now, everything in a one.
Yes, give me some of the toy.
None of the fear 1 spoon of rice. You don't understand English. 1 spoon of rice. And half tin of mackerel. It cannot share. Go look walk. You're too young for your walk on a bed.
Work.
Which part you work?
Me working.
Which part?
Me a work in a high-low.
What kind of work you do at high-low?
Me push trolley. I can't
Oh, you know your work today.
Because every day off.
Oh, today day off.
Yes.
Since when high-low give so much day off? Yesterday day off, today day off. You look sick. If you're sick,
me still can't send in
you
sick
work
leave.
at high-low, me know you get paid at least already.
Me not get paid yet. That if I ever
Stop work then on garbage. Stop do the work and go to the bridge. You will make a money every night. Since as I can pay you good. Me don't have no over you top come and me and come back me. Come to Moody. I will shut up about title. Look for me part. I don't know what she had talk about she said title.
No, sir. Don't nobody see her. Get up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Queer. You're drunk and dirty. Get up, man! Get up off of the doorstep, man! I don't want people see bad on the doorstep.
Yes, for me.
For what?
Give title.
Now get no title.
No way.
You don't have nothing.
Me not go nowhere.
No go nowhere. You don't have nothing here, so. You don't have nothing here, so.
I mind this. This is for me. And a fear.
Show me the paper. Show me the paper.
You hide them.
Oh, me hide them, but my name depend them, oh. For me name depend them, yeah, madman. Come out to my yard, madman. My yard, and me yard this. Queer, are you dirty and rank like old ram goat? Left me yard, girl.
Are you rank? Are you Rami?
Oh, you're just jealous. Come and live somewhere. Me have my place. Ain't come out to my place, man. Your name depend nothing. Your name depend nothing. Me the first born in this.
Mommy, don't you come. Box down this.
Box down. Well, who get box down? And who get mad out? And who get mad out? Tan? You got tan? You know move.
Mad people don't know themselves, you know.
You know move.
Me not go nowhere.
You know
if you move, this will come with me too.
Tan to them, man. Tan to them. Don't move. Don't move. Tan to them. You know, move. Get your backside out to the place. Get your backside out to the place. Hey, come out to the place. And my mother left this for me. And me are the rightful owner. Come here, the firstborn. And me forget everything. Come out to the place. And me forget everything. Eh? You just come on, wah. Eh? All the look after me, look after you, ungrateful wretch. And me forget this. And you trick my mother. And make sure put your name power. Put your name power. And mind this. Look like say. Mas, but I never do enough. Mother, I not enough. Hey, come on my yard. Me have to go take care of her. Me have to deal with this.
Jesus Christ, don't frighten me some more. Jesus, man. What happened now? What happened?
My sister.
I'm not going to get water now. Yes, sir? Moody. Where have you said me now? What's up? Girl, get up.
Let me fix it back. Leave me.
Oh, Jesus. Moody.
Yes, yeah.
Get up out of the dirt. That park like you know sense.
My sister, she.
What your sister?
My sister.
What happened to your sister?
She.
She what?
I'm a sister.
Get up out of the dirt. Get up out of the dirt.
Me say she do it. She. My sister. I'm tell you say she do my sister. I don't know. Hear when me talk.
How mad Moody?
She do it.
She do it.
My sister. One sister, me have my sister.
Moody, get up. If I prank, me get up out of the dirt, man. Stop now. Stop. If I look at money you want, me try again. Get up out of the dirt, man, and stop. I prank you want prank me?
Cash me try that money.
Huh?
And she do it. I'm gonna tell you again.
What your sister do? What she do? What? More? What you? Jesus, Moody got mad. What? Jesus, let me check in, sister. Jesus Christ. Yeah, alright.
How do you?
Alright.
What do you? Up here run you down or what?
No. Moody come over yard. Moody.
What she wants?
She in like dirt and she say, sister.
What she say about me? What exactly she say about me?
She say something about you do, something like that. Something but me not hear your words clearly. Say something about you do. Something do you do me. You're good.
Me do plenty for her,
You look
man.
like Moody and mad out.
Yes, me tell you, say she mad out, you know.
Jesus Christ.
She must say remember all the good that me do her.
Yeah?
And me raise her, you know, me look after her. So maybe her head gone back to them the days when me and she used to roam.
You say Moody in the dirt. You think I prank Moody, I prank me, you know?
Lord,
You say
I
me
forgot to
think
take her
she a
God
prank
doctor.
me. Yes, sir.
I forgot to take her God doctor.
And see, I say, she do it. That's something that she has say.
I just
I'm
like
not
she has
sure,
said.
yes. She does dip on here. And she say, they not hear me, I say.
Can nobody listen to her because she mad out. Moody mad out.
Me run and she run out of here, so me run come straight over here.
Yes, you do the right thing. Me I forgot to take her God doctor, you know.
No, sir.
Jesus, because she come to you and I said that. But I true Moody love me, you know, and she knows some love her. So Moody had gone back to them there.
You see, Fran, she don't take it away. Me should know say something not right, you know. Fran, she don't. Every minute Moody I walk up and down. Every minute Moody I walk up and down and I beg. Every minute people I say, from me left her, she does a beg. And I go on some way.
No, me have to take her to a doctor. Come in and like see my sister like this, you know. Thank you, Toga, for come tell me. Come in and like see my sister like this.
This not right. This not right. Oh, she just start mad out so.
Me no know.
Something don't right.
Something not right for true. Something really not right for true. Why? Has somebody spike her drink?
Where she gone? I know where she gone.
Me have to go find her.
Yeah, me head start.
Yeah, that hurt you?
Yes.
Oh God. You never drink none of the same drink she drink.
When?
Me don't know, but me feel say our friend them a spike her drink, you know. Our friend them a spike her drink. Cause them not like her, they jealous of what my sister have. Cause she beautiful and she talk. My sister could have been a model, you know. You alright?
Okay.
I don't run in you though. I show you run up and down.
We need to go look for Moody. We need to find Moody.
Me go find her, man. Me go get the money for the doctor. Cause when we find her, we have to go take her to hospital or something.
Worry about doctor after. We need to find her. That's the biggest thing. Right?
Moody alright, man. We know exactly how Moody gone. She gone out bar.
She do not good. You know, see her a while ago, you know. Me say she in the dirt.
She loves sit down.
She'll walk off with down whole a black. You need one half a black, me mean.
One half a black for door?
I don't know. Listen me. You go over our stable lane there, so me go over Groveland.
Alright.
We see if me find her here.
Alright.
So me call her then.
Oh,
See her Groveland. Me come over our stable lane there. So,
alright. You find her, take her straight, go to doctor, yeah? Cause she need the doctor. Dirty boot. Yes, you walk. It's a walk. Hey, you bitch, you.
Moody! You see Moody pass us.
Moody. No, sir, me not see her. How I go on?
You see Moody and mad out.
So, Moody and mad out. You sure say Moody and mad out?
Moody and mad out, bro. Right now, I find more fine if me can carry her when I health center them or something right now, bro.
So how you know that? You smoke? You smoke?
Yo, TV, I know any time for joke right now, bro.
I no joke, me a joke. No. I one day if you sent off my cigarette too strong. So when you pass you and inhale it.
I know me all dizzy right now. Listen me. Moody come over my yard and me a feed the duck them. And she does a wall in the dirt and I say, she do it and something and me I say, oh, and she I say, my sister and a wall in the dirt, bro. So me run go over in sister yard and I tell my sister and sister say, you like her head I go. So I find more and find her if me can carry go out, doctor or the health place.
Backside, you know say. Me nah do it and me nah say I say false no bro, but you see if that happen, it goes off it true bro.
What you mean by?
Me did have an uncle, but they mad, but me never believe you know. You know when me believe, when my uncle pass away, me get to find out say one of them best friend them, mad him out.
So wait, what you try to say? What you try? Me not understand.
Bro, my uncle.
Yeah, say our sister do something to her.
Yeah, bro.
You could have never think that to be. Our sister love her to the ground when she walk on. Our sister take care of her, you know.
Bro.
Me not tell no lie, bro. Our sister take care of her. If her mother not do it, her sister do it for her, bro.
Bro, you see
not
this
think...
it don't make no sense nobody love you, cause love come with two things. Either love or hate, bro. It will happen like it possible. Me know you're not mad.
Bro. Listen, I don't think our sister would I do that to her? That wicked in a dog. What a wickedness that, you know? If you obey your friend, your own blood. A wickedness that, bro. Me no think say that would have. Anyway, me can't tell you that. Me have to look.
Yeah, man, look at
him.
Yeah, man. Look at see him. Check which part the garbage bin them now and see if I see her.
Me everything you take with you, me every connect.
Ah. Georgia.
I gotta fix up the house, you know. I gotta put the extension on, yeah man. And do up the place pretty and nice before Christmas. Yes, before Christmas, me I do up my house. Have a friend in Georgia, the best friend I ever had. I want to go beach. Hold your hand, I want to go beach. Then come back and have a shower. Oh God. Have a friend in. Moody,
You see Duppy?
are you that?
You see Duppy?
That's it. Where you did that for 2 months?
That's not none of your concern.
But you look alright now. Come hug me up, man.
Me supposed to alright. Me don't want to hug Gippy.
Moody, I mean you're there with so.
Yeah.
Me and your sister. Come hug up your sister.
We are sister. We can stay sister. We soon not be siblings anymore.
What you talk about, Moody? Me love you.
You love me?
Me glad for see say you look alright.
Keep your hand to yourself. And them same hand you use.
Use what?
You love me?
I mean take care of you. Me love you.
How
Me
you love
glad
me?
say you
say
look like
keep
you
your
come
hand
back
to
too.
yourself. What out? Yes, stay up there, sir.
How
How do you in a life?
Moody, me not do you nothing.
Me not do nothing.
You not do me nothing. Me love you.
So what you do then? Only thing me ever do is beg you. Nothing more. Me never kill nobody for you. Me never take none of your man yet. Me never throw it at the house. What me ever do? Me never thief nothing for you.
So what you
Me never
talk
bad
about?
mind you.
What you talking about? What me do you, sis?
I gotta ask you one last time. Why you do it?
Do what? Me not do you nothing, man.
You know what you do, Charmaine. For the love of God, the last time I ask you, why you do what you do? What me ever do to you in a life than just existing?
Just existing. All right, Moody. You want the truth. You want the truth. Eh? And me look after you, you know. And me look after you. Not true. And me raise you. Not true. Eh? Me don't know what take mommy little head. But say she'll leave title in your name. So me just take back what is mine.
So, you did want the house.
The house is mine. We are the firstborn.
You can talk all you want talk, you know. You wanted the house, you wanted the land, you want everything. You become one piece of greedy dog since mommy fly out.
No, me
And you
still
did-
look after you.
And you did not look after me. You only give a yai for me because of mommy money just send for use for me, not yours. All the time I get money from you when me or stretch up my hands and beg you. So because I want the house, you do all the little schemes them, nearly take my life. But don't worry yourself.
Me never take nothing for you. Anything me take rightfully belong to me.
Okay, you can talk all I want to talk. Don't worry
I'm use
yourself.
my money, mine you. Remember
You see?
that. Oh.
You see, all you had done and everything what you do already that in the past. Me come back now, come back in my right mind, where my senses them where God give me 5 senses them where God give me, and then I work now.
Alright, so we make a fresh start.
No.
You can move in, you know.
And then again-
me will allow you for moving.
We are no longer sisters. So me I give you 2 days to pack up and leave out of the house. 2 days. I owe
Me,
you.
I do so.
Yeah, me and the siblings them more.
Moody, me never know so you ungrateful. Eh? All the things and the sacrifice me make for
At
you.
least I'm ungrateful, but I'm not bad man and ready.
What you talk about is bad
I owe you
mind.
no explanation. I owe you no obligation. I'm giving you 2 days to leave. I know what I know, and you stick to what you know. 2 days me I get for the house. That's it, and that's final.
Me want to see how you are going to get me out of this.
Okay.
Cause my yard this. And me, I develop my yard. Yes, me send Mas Buddha for do you. Eh? Cause for my place. And then I like see people have anything. Me don't know what kind of spell you put for my mother. I make my mother put your name on title like say you're somebody. Eh? Me want to see how you're going to take me out of this for 2 days. And my place this. And me a Tanya. Oh. Mighty people, you make it to the end of this banger movie. It bad though. So put in the comment section down below what you like best. Whether you want part 2, 3, 4, and what you want to do, and keep the comments respectful, mighty people. So wait for the next one and bigger and badder. Peace out.